We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was then here, we mentioned the ways reversing is very corrective, and we mentioned we can put this one in relative to this for the next drop. That's why when the price was here, I mentioned whoever wants to look for buy, the best thing is we wait for the breakout before we take the next trade. And this is what we get. Now, want to see what's the next. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with a daily chart. And as we can see, based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We have been looking for buy, all right? And the targets as a long term, and the targets we have been looking for was 907 following by 1050. And we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here before we see the reversal. By the way, we're looking for buy. Even we mentioned we can get an opportunity for buy a few times. If it doesn't move in our direction, that's why we should know how to manage it. And based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup for buy and even sell. And if you move to 4 hour chart, the only thing is, if you want to look at this one as a correction relative to this, the only question is whether we should consider this shadow or not. All right, because if we don't consider about this, as we can see the price tag the lowest price, and we can refer to the divergence. In that case, any reversal we can look for buy as a long term. But if you want to consider this one, then any trade, and that's mean we cannot refer to the indicators, then any trade from here is a short term. Okay, now for me, still we can expect this one to give us one more drop, and this, if this one turns to deeper correction, is good for us because we see the confirmation breakout of this correction. Because from what we have right now, price tag the lowest price of this correction, but we don't see their breakout. That's mean if we get any reversal from here, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, but we can consider, we need to consider relative to this as a short term, unless we see the continuation and we see the breakout of the top of this correction. That's mean we have to see the breakout of this. So which I explained my last 2 to 3 analyses, right? That's why if the price drops some more, we see the breakout of this correction, then any reversal from there, we will take the trade as a long term. Anyway, at this point, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We have to wait. And if we get any opportunity, any reversal from now, we consider as a short term, but the sell, we are not really interested. And if I move to 1 hour chart, I don't think we can look for this one as a trade for buy, unless we see this one turn to a flag. At that case, we can put our entry both for continuation as a short move. But right now we have to wait, because simply we can expect this one turn to flat for the next drop. And for sure, if we get one more drop following by divergence based on 1 hour chart, then any is good for us, because then from there, if we get any reversal as a short move, like we can take the trade. All right, simply we cannot look for buy or sell, and selling at this point, I'm not really interested. I prefer to see one more drop, then from there, if I get any reversal, I will take the trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.